Beautiful.
Someone told me long.
Hi amazing people, I am back again with another video. Hope you guys are doing great. As for me, I haven't been feeling so well, but it's so great to be back again on my feet. I'm okay now, thank you guys. I'm gonna be reacting to this music video titled "Have You Ever Seen the Rain?" Wow. Okay, without further ado, let's go check out this amazing video out now. Yeah. Okay. Beautiful.
Someone told me long ago there's a calm before the storm. I know it's been coming for some time. When it's over, so they say, it'll rain a sunny day. I know, shining down like water. I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain?
Wow.
I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? Coming down Sunday.
I like it.
Yesterday and days before, sun is cold and rain is hot. I know, been that way for all my time. Till forever on it goes, through the circle fast and slow. I know, it can't stop. I wonder, I wanna know, have you ever
Beautiful.
seen the rain? I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? Coming down sunny day. Yeah, I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain?
Beautiful journey.
Coming down sunny day.
Okay.
That was
Wow.
CCR. Have you ever seen the rain?
Cool.
Magical about that one. For that reason, it's one of my favorite tracks.
That was so simple and beautiful. I just love the beautiful melody right there. I just want to know, have you ever seen the rain? Wow, so cool. Thank you guys. Thank you. Thank you for the beautiful music video. Thank you. And thank you everybody for watching. If you're new in my channel, please don't leave without subscribing. Please do subscribe, okay? Like this video and tell me what you think about it. Have you ever seen the rain? Isn't it so beautiful? Let me know right there in the comment section. Thank you everybody. I do love you. See you next time on my next one. Bye bye.